Install the camera on the gimbal and connect the coaxial cable to the air unit. Refer to C20 user manual. This video operates with the C2OT as an example. Fix the cooling fan and the air unit on the O4 Air Unit Pro mount with 4 L 1.710mm tapping screws. Fix the gimbal on the integrated base plate with 4M to L4mm machine screws. The installation position of the C2OD vertical is shown in the figure. Fix the air unit on the integrated base plate with 4M to L6mm tapping screws. Fix the antenna mount on the integrated base plate with 2M to L6mm tapping screws. And snaps the antennas into the antenna mount. Connect the power communication port of the gimbal and the gimbal transferring port with the gimbal transferring cable. Connect the cooling fan to the power out port of the integrated base plate. Connect the air unit and the DJI transferring port of the integrated base plate with a 3-in-1 cable in the O4pro package. Use the matching cable to connect the data link to the data link port on the base plate. Connect to the 3-in-1. Connect to the power communication port. Power on.